Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about functions in Java. So I will start with from a basics, then I will go to the advanced level. So what is function? So functions means we can say a method or anything which runs only when we are calling. So to understand the functioning of the actual method, first I am going to create one class. So we will create a class. I am going to name this one function check. So the method like to create public static void main. So I am creating a one class which names function check. So inside that method, inside this class, I am going to write one function. So I already told you what is function means. Function, we can say block of code. Function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. So here if you are checking, the class name is function check and it has a one function as of now, that is the main function. So I am going to create one function. So the public void show then system.out.println function test. So now I created one function. The name of that function is show and it is returns nothing. So the return type is void and public is, we know the public is an access modifier. So it will be available to the enter package. So public is an access modifier, void is return type which return nothing, and show is the method name or function name. So if in order to execute this function, we need to create the object of this class function check. So I am going to create the object of class. So this is a class name. So class name, I am creating the object obj1 is equal to new function check. So now I created an object of this function, object of this class. So obj1 is now the object. Then I am going to execute this function. So how I will execute obj1 dot show. So now it is, see, I am telling the steps. Now we created one object, then we are using that object, we are calling the show method. So if you are running the program, yeah, its output is function test. So it is called this one, the obj.show called this function, that is the output is, we got the output. So I am going to create another function, public. So it is returning, I want a return. So int, I am going to add two numbers. So int add, so I am passing two parameter int a comma int b. So here it is showing error, means see the method must return a result of type int because the return type of this function is integer. So we need to return an integer value. So I am creating one int sum is equal to a plus b and I am returning the sum value I am returning. So whenever we are calling this function will return the value sum. Sum is a plus b the here. So I will show you how we can call. So I am creating obj1 dot add, and I am passing, I need to add two variable, two values. So I am called this, see, I am calling this function. So now if you are executing this function, see function test, but we can't see the sum. So now what happened, actually we passed the value 2, we called the add function. So the inside add there are two parameters are there. So 2 will come in the place of A and 3 will come in the place of B, and sum will get the value of A plus B, and it is returning the sum. So here we are not using any variable or anything, any container to receive the value. That's why the value it is not printed. So we need to print that value. What we'll do, I am going to int result, because it is returning the value integer. So I am creating a variable result and I am taking the value. Now I am printing what is coming inside the function, result is equal to, and I am printing the variable. And now I am planning, see if now I am running, we are getting the result 5. So now the 2 plus 3, this value passed to this function and it is returning the sum. The sum is coming to result, and finally we are getting the value sum in result, and we are printing the result. And now I am going to some advanced level. So what I am doing, I need to find which number is greater than. So for that one, I am going to create one function, public int max. So here I am passing int a comma b, and I am finding, I am declaring one variable int max, and I am checking if the value coming a greater than b, then max is equal to a, else max equal to b, and we need to return the max. So this function will return maximum of 2 number. So we need to pass the 2 number. So the same thing I am using. I can use the same things. So I am declaring one variable int maximum is equal to, I need to call that function obj1. Using object I need to call that function obj1 dot max. Inside max I am passing 2 integer variable. I need to find a maximum of, which one is maximum, 5 or 7, largest. So I am printing sys out maximum is equal to, and I am printing this value, which value is coming to maximum, I am printing that one. So now if I am running this program, see the maximum function test, it is called the first function show. Here I am not using any assignment operator, because it is automatically inside the function, it is printing the function test, it is returning nothing. That's why I am not using any container. So the second result one, so now the result is coming like maximum, sorry, the sum a plus b is coming result 5. Then the third function is for finding the maximum or largest. So inside that one we did the calculation and we got the maximum result. So the next I am doing, I want to find, or if I am passing any integer digit, so I need to get the character value. Suppose for that one I need to, for that one, see string value is equal to obj1 dot char value. This is a function, and I need to pass 5. If I am passing 5, then I need to get the output f5 IVE, the character I need to get. So for that purpose I need to create a function. So I need to create a char value function. So I am creating that function also. So definitely the return type will be the string. That's why I created a value of type string. Now I am creating one public function, public string character value, and it is getting the digit. So int a it is receiving. And we need to do the calculation, so we can check which character is printing. We can use a switch case we can use here. So I am using switch, and I am passing the variable a, and case 1. If it is 1, we can print, or we can return 1. Break. Yes. And if it is case 2, so or what we'll do, instead of that one, we will do one thing. We will create string val or string name. I am declaring string name. So this name I am assigning here, name is equal to 1, and break. If the value is coming, if the digit is coming 2, the name is equal to 2. Then break. Case 3, name is equal to 3. Then break. And this, like this way we can do till 9, or we can include the 0 also we can include. And I am putting the default at the end. I am putting the default, and here I am putting the value is, or we can put, yeah, we can put sys out invalid, and we can assign that. If you want, we can assign the name also invalid. Here it is run, and at the end we are returning name. We are returning, yeah, now it is correct, that error resolved, returning, and here we will get the value and we will print. So I am passing, because here only we did 1 2 3 only, so we can do till 9, that you can try in your system. And here I am printing, and I am passing only 3 I am passing. If I am passing the value 3, then we need to get the character 3. So we'll try, will it work or not? Yeah, the value is 3. So this is regarding function. So function, as a conclusion, we can say function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. So if you are not calling using the object of class, then this function will not run. So whenever we are using because this function is a part of object, so whenever we are calling the function using object, then only the function will execute. So here I tried to explain 3 functions. One is for just printing, and next function is for sum. The next function is for finding the largest or maximum of 2 number. Next function, if you are passing a digit, it will return the character value, character of that digit. Okay, so 3 functions I explained. So